today I want to focus on volume profile. This is an indicator that is free and is so powerful, so powerful. There's one guy, Frankie Candles, who is like, should I say, the master of volume profile. If you want to learn more about this indicator, go to Frankie Candles. He has a whole course about all this. But I always want to learn new things, and I've realized that this is really a powerful tool that I can share with you guys as well, so that you can boost your you can boost your trading skills. All right, guys, now let's dive right away to this chart. Like, I want to show you guys first of all how you can get this volume profile. This is trading view, and those of you who don't yet have trading view, if you want to get trading view, you should go to all right, now let's dive to this. Okay. So for you to get this volume profile, you have to go to the left hand corner of trading view. You see here, this area here, there are different indicators that you can use when you're trading, and just go to like this area here, and you want to see fixed range volume profile. I want to explain to you guys how you can use all these, how you can set it up. So you're going to see my settings and everything. So you click on it, then you take it from the below. Like right now, I'm on the daily time frame. You take it from the bottom of this. Like whenever you see a week like this, you take it from the bottom. Like this is how I do it. Take it from down here, and I take it right where price is at this point in time. So it's gonna create a range right now. You can see there's a range that it has created for me, and this in between, like here at the left hand corner, you can see this volume area. This area represents where most traders are trading, like interested in buying and selling. You can see price move around this area. You can see here price are moving around this area on the daily time frame. Right, so if you say you're able to use this indicator, it's gonna help you to like look at different areas in the market where you can buy. So this is market structure, where you know where support is and where resistance is. So in this case, you look at the value area low, as your support, and the value area high, this line, up at as your resistance. So looking at the settings for the input, you can see here I on the row size I put 200. The row size is like it gives the different moment or different time period that people have traded in between this area. Like you can see here, this is the row represent the volume, up and down. So if say I change it, like for example, if I put 1,000, you're gonna see change. um you see you're gonna change. No, it didn't change. Let me see. If I put, let's say, okay, it has changed. You can see. Let's say if I put now 10, you see the volume is gonna reduce. Let me put 10. I know it's 10 is so small. You're gonna see. Okay, you can see it has changed, right? So I have this at 200, because it gives me a clear um like a macro perspective of the volume on that higher time frame. Like on the daily time frame, I always love to see what price is doing on the daily time frame to give me an edge on what I can expect for that week. So this is how I go about it. And for the volume area, I leave it at 70. On the style, you can see the value area high. This the top vertical line there is representing the support. I mean the resistance. Sorry, and the value area low. So the vertical, the blue vertical line at the bottom represent the support, and the POC, which is the red line in the middle, it represent the area of control. It means price comes there. When price gets to that area, investors are either deciding either to short or to buy. So this is the area where decision is made. So when price get to that area, investors or traders decide whether they want to keep pushing price to the upside, or they want to keep pushing price to the downside. And whenever you see price come down to this value area low, which is this area here, and price is not able to break to make lower lows, right? yeah, lower lows, it means that we might see some sort of retracement back to the value area high or the POC. Right? For example, we saw price came here, this area here, and price didn't succeed to break this area. Right? And we saw that price went back to the POC, this area here. This is the POC, the red line in the middle. And now we saw price again come back, and prices didn't break down. And now we see prices going back to the upside, right? So maybe it's going to go to the POC, or maybe go to the value area high. So this indicator is so powerful. You can see whenever you see price, out of this indicator, out of this other area, these other areas here, you can consider it as oversold. And when you see price above this zone here, you can consider it as overbought, right? So you can use this as the way most people use ROSI, to trade crypto. This is so powerful, guys. This indicator is so powerful. And I think if say you guys learn, like take some time to, watch a couple of videos about it. As I mentioned, go to Frankie Candle's channel. He has done a lot of video. I mean, he does live show every day on using the volume profile, and I follow his shows. He's really like he's the master of this, and I want to always share with you guys to understand that there's free ways that you can trade cryptocurrency without you paying that huge amount of money to. Like, you can get this indicator for free. You can also get TradingView for free, and you can use only this indicator. Of course, it's not advisable to use only this indicator. You can use other indicators that will give you like multiple like what price is doing, right? Like maybe you can use different indicators, like let's say moving averages. I use this and other indicators that gives me an edge. For example, if say I want to add other indicators, I'm only going to add now the RSI. Yeah, so it's going to give me, now I have the RSI below here. So now you can see here, guys, on the weekly time frame, the RSI showed or oversold at this area, and we saw a retracement, and the retracement, it came this, like it was at the same level where the POC is, meaning looking at this RSI, if say we see price above, like above the 50 price market here, you have the 50. The 50 is like the point of control with the RSI. If the price is above the 50 on the RSI, that's when you want to start looking for a buy order. And when you see it the same way, the same on the volume profile, when price is above the point of control, which is a POC, that's when you want to start looking for a buy, like a long order. Of course, you can also look for your entry here, like you can look for an entry here, but the way you want to confirm like that price is really moving to the upside is when price, has crossed this POC and is headed to the value area high. So this indicator is really powerful. And I say, let me come here today and share with you guys on how you can use it to trade Bitcoin, to trade cryptocurrency. Those of you who are beginners, you are looking for ways to make money. I told you guys that Bitcoin is the alpha, and you can trade Bitcoin to make more Bitcoin. So, guys, this indicator is really powerful, and it is free. Just go to TradingView, this area here. You click on this forecasting and measurement tools. Go down. You're gonna see fixed range volume profile. You can also put it as your favorite. It's gonna appear on your chart here. Like, for example, you can see it's here. Each time I can just move it around here. Each time I want to use it, I can just click on it and then I use it. So TradingView have different options that use. So if say you want to get this indicator, you can see this is it. Use TradingView to do think analysis. So you can click on this link. You're gonna get 30 I think $30 bonus, if say I'm not mistaken. Yeah, something like that. So, and also if say you use my link, it's gonna be a way that to promote this channel. I'm bringing you guys all this for free, and I'm still a small channel, which will help guys. You can reach out to more people and build this community. So if say you really love what I do and you want to support it, then use my link below. Also, you can join my community. The links are found below this video. I have different educational tools that I use or that I share with my community, and I try to help people one to help them to make better decisions, when they trade. Guys, the idea, one of the reasons why I embark on trading is because it gives me freedom. It gives me an opportunity to be myself, to be able to like do whatever I want anytime I want it, what I want, and also give me time to spend, give me time to spend with my family, like enough time to spend with my family, So I see this as an opportunity for everyone out there. This, you can apply this with any, not only Bitcoin. You can use this volume profile for Ethereum. You can use it for Solana, Bitget, but Bitcoin, Ethereum to an extent. I think that's the two you should focus on, because it has a lot of volume. Of course, you can focus on the top five that I always mention: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB. They have the most liquidity in the market. So if say you go for that, it will help you to be consistent to an extent, or to be precise whenever you are taking trade. I'm gonna be coming live every day if possible at the same time. And I just want, my schedule have changed, so I'm gonna be coming live maybe every 12 noon Sweden time. That's UTC +2. So if say you are available, you can join me live. If say you are not available, then you can always come back here to check out my previous content. Usually, maybe YouTube is not gonna give you notification, because I don't always have people who are live here. I just like to create my content, and I know it's out there. Someone is gonna get it someday. When my channel keep growing, someone's gonna discover it and gonna help that person to trade. So if say you are that person who this has helped you, or my previous content has helped you, then you wanna go right now and subscribe and like this video. And if say you want someone to help you one on one, if you're struggling with cryptocurrency, you don't understand how to go about placing trades, investing, I can help you. This is really a difficult space, when you don't understand what you're doing. But if say you understand what you're doing, you're gonna be able to do things easily, like fast, quick, without you going through any challenge. Of course, I cannot guarantee you they're gonna make money. If there's no guarantee. Yeah, but what I can guarantee you is that if say you know what you're doing, then you're gonna be successful in this space. You're gonna lose money for sure, but if say you are consistent, you're gonna make money long term. So thanks for always being here with me. Wish you all the best and have a nice day. Bye bye.